Hi, this is Joy Porter. I'm here talking to the Investors Association today about staging your investment homes. I have been staging and been a professional stager for about 5 years, and we have staged all of our investment properties. And what we do is we go in and we stage the living room, the kitchen, and all the bathrooms. And we do this so that people will have a vision of what the home will look like when they come in. It is very difficult for buyers to visualize how they can live in a vacant space. And a lot of the little homes we're remodeling are a little weird and they have little strange things about them. Maybe the garage was filled in. When you stage and you put furniture in there and beautiful accessories and pictures and things, people fall in love with the home. They will buy the home even just for that. And so now we can ask top dollar for our properties and we can sell them quickly. We also have a waiting list for the people who want to buy our properties because they like the way they look. So we suggest that you stage. Basically, get furniture off of KSL. You can buy at different places, so it can be very economical. Our furnishings that we put into our properties are about $700 for everything. So it's not real expensive, but it is worth it. So again, remember that staging is to help people visualize how they can live in a space, makes the space sparkle, and also gives you the leg up over your competition, because people are people and they will buy things that are beautiful. Thanks. Good luck.